Hey, Connie, you trying to play?
Nice. Dividing my flesh, dividing my steps. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Kami. It's Divine Cooking.
Excuse me?
Today, we're gonna be doing something I do, or something I make. We're making Glory Oats today. One of the best oats in the world. Literally is gonna change your life, whatever you do. First, let's get to the ingredients. You start with bananas, apples, very simple, nutritious, healthy shit. Almond milk. You could add oat milk and regular milk, but it ain't glory if you add regular milk. But almond milk, of course, some oats, omega-3 nuts. Don't be looking at my hands, they ashy.
Look at this ash. Whoo! Now that's ashy.
I wash I'm dark skinned. You wash your hands so you cooking, you get ashy.
Okay.
Don't be coming from my neck. Cinnamon, and then some peanut butter. I got the no added sugar because you don't need the extra sugar in your body to like ruin your life because sugar turns into fat. I'll teach you that later. But yeah, let's get into it. For some reason, like when you have to follow this order because it tastes different if you don't. I don't know why, but it does. So let's start off with bananas first. You chop it. Simple. I hope I'm cutting this right.
Really, nigga?
Next, number 2, I just put mad bananas on my hands. The next one is apples. Oh. We gonna keep my man right here? I'm gonna call you Greg.
Hello!
Greg, don't cut your apples like this. But I learned this in Cordon Bleu at house, you know, in France. Huh? I swear, like, when you make this, you try it, guarantee your life is gonna fucking change. You're gonna realize all your worries. I was like, tripping. Nothing to worry about. I got Glory Oats. I'm good. See? Simple. This is how I do it. Unless you're a pro, don't cut your apples like this because it's not gonna be my fault. You're gonna be like, get to the hospital, they'll be like, Kami told me. Nah, Kami didn't tell you nothing. All right. Next step. Oats. I gotta move you over, Greg. Shout out to Greg. Put 1 cup of oats in there. All right, so now it should look like this, what you're seeing. Then you grab some cinnamon, you just sprinkle it around it, you know. Measure it with your eyes, you don't need to get like exactly, you just measure it right. Next, now, before you do that, 1 spoon of this bad boy. And then I'm gonna show you something else that I'm about to do in a second that I didn't tell you. So you just take 1 spoon. Ah! There you go. Just throw it in there just like that. What I'm gonna do next with peanut butter, you can get all natural peanut butter as well. Like, you know, this one here, or whatever works for you. Now, we're just going for this one today. But I'm going to take some of the peanut butter and I'm gonna put it in this mason jar. And we're gonna boil it to make it into like some shit.
Boy, if you don't...
Peanut butter, so take 1 big ass spoon of this. And hopefully, you know, this falls in there right. That should be enough. I'm gonna do 1 more just in case, but that should be enough. You don't need to worry. Alright, so you turn the fire on before, like it's fine that all this stuff is in there. You can turn the fire on before you add the milk. It's not gonna go anywhere. You're only gonna cook it for like max 4 minutes. It's not gonna be anything long. But you put 1 cup of almond milk and let that bad boy, you put a tad bit more just because It look a little thick in there, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to catch it right. Now you let it sit there until you start seeing the corners of the pot bubble, like you see the milk bubbling. Just let it rock, don't touch anything. Let it bubble, let it do its damn thing, you get me? So while it's doing that, boil some water, cut it off. And you're gonna take the mason jar and you put it in there, it's gonna get hot, which is gonna create the liquid gold I was talking about. And just let it sit there. It's gonna heat up and do its magic. It's gonna sweat. As that's sitting there, it's doing that, you doing that, and you chill, you know? Start catching it from us. You sing, do whatever. Do some push-ups. Gotta knock out some push-ups real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting to bubble. See? As you getting your games right, banging and clanging, glory's coming. Glory's coming. So now, you take your spoon, you got extra peanut butter in there, so. But you see the bubbles on the side, right? Mm-hmm. That's the magic. Now you just stir. Don't look at my ashy hands. It's giving breakfast. That's what it's giving. It's giving I care about myself. Next is got some omega-3 mix. You take some. All right, the camera died, so we're using this. It's all good. So you sprinkle some of this omega-3 fun, you know, however you desire, but you know, oh, so you're good to go. And there you have it. Thank you for coming through with me, hanging out with me, cooking the Glory Oats with me. But I need to get to the bowl. Like, comment, subscribe. Come join Divine Council because it's lit on this side. And like always, smile because God is watching. Peace out.